Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is sticky rice cake with red bean paste, which is easy to make. From the perspective of traditional Chinese medicine, sticky rice is suitable for people with weak spleen and stomach. Let's get started. Prepare 150 grams of sticky rice flour, 130 milliliters hot water. Add water to the sticky rice flour, while stirring with chopsticks. Then knead them into a dough with your hands. Place it on the workboard, make it into a cylinder. Cut into 8 portions. Knead everyone into a ball, get 8 balls. Then prepare 100 grams of red bean paste. Take one ball, press it into a cake. Put the bean paste on it. Pinch the edges slowly. Then flatten it again, make into a pancake. Do the same for the rest ones. Brush the oil on every cake. Heat a pan over low heat, arrange the cakes. Oiled sides down, then brush the oil on the other sides of the cakes. Pan fry until cooked through. When you see the cakes puffing up, it means they are cooked. Delicious sticky rice cake with red bean paste is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.